Yesterday he was doing so well with this, like he was pushing me up. Hey! Oh, this is really cute. You can take stills too with that, you know. You wanna push? Yeah, Kyle, look what you're doing. Look at you. Your nose itchy?
He's rubbing his eyes like you do.
Your nose itchy? I know.
When you're tired.
Or when I try to wake up, I'm on my stomach like that. Yeah. You want to push your head up a bit? There you go. You're very cute, little boy. Look at him. His nose or his mouth or whatever.